Well, the oil's been changed. You can see there's a nice new frame filter there, new gas filter, and there is a big difference. I don't know if you can see how clean that is. The other one was filthy. 2 new plugs. The oil, I'm filling up. I'm waiting for that to. I just turned it on to get the filter oiled. New plugs. Now, while we're waiting for this thing to do up, what I did on this last time was I took the carburetor off, but this is the they call it this, if you can see that. That is the anti-backfire valve, which goes to the bottom of the float. The bottom of the float, I had a lot of sugar from the ethanol, and you got to use 93 octane. So the bottom line is the surging's all gone. This thing runs smooth as heck right now. So for, how many hours we got on this thing? 260. She's running great. It's a great little machine. It's dirty. It needs to be cleaned, but your maintenance has got to be as follows, though. You've got to change the oil. Like I said, I have 260. The oil on this was absolutely filthy. I'm going to show it to you real fast. Look at this. That's filthy. I neglected it. Last year. I feel bad about it. But what we have here is the way you have to do it is drain it in the spring. You put 50 hours on it, change it. If you go more than that, change it before the season's up. So you got to do it like 3 times a year. Spring, mid-range, season it when you're getting ready to shut it up for the season, and that'll do it. And change the plugs. The plugs were a difference of, the gap is 0.30 on the plugs. The difference with the old ones, and I will show you, the old ones are right here, if you can see that. The old ones were they were about 0.38, 0.30 is the gap it's supposed to be. These were about 0.38, just before 0.4. So, as I said, this is a great little machine for the buck. For $2,200, this thing's 8 years old. It's kicking ass. Hope this helped you. Maintenance, just do it.